Hi, it's Steve from Signature Garden Services, quoting Anna and Tony Kemp, 27 Mawarra Street, Buddina, for a front lawn irrigation pop-up system to be installed. Just briefly, we've already discussed inside, and I would treat that as a separate installation for the backyard. That gives you the choice then to go ahead with that section only. Additionally, we can add this on, but this one is basically another system which would be installed. We would install a series of pop-up gear drive heads. They're quite large, and they cover they've got a good throw on them, and they'll be installed all the way through here so that all of this grass is sufficiently watered, no missed areas. And the way that we do the control of that, or just to go back once again, like the other system, it's a non-invasive system the way that we install, so you wouldn't have wrecked grass in your lawn. The way that we do it is quite non-invasive, so that's good. Here I have this open because I'm just investigating. So this is your mains water coming in. We would tack onto the pipe that's coming through here, come off, install another pit box here with a series of valves, and then those valves can go out into the lawn and water various sections, and it's a staggered. We have multiple zones. You've got so much water, you couldn't run all of them at the same time, so we stagger them. There'd be a few working, a few working, a few working, etc., so that you have enough water pressure to operate these beefy gear drive pop-ups that we install. So once the box is in and the valves are in and it's connected with mains water, they then get triggered by a low voltage wire, which would run back to this point here. We have electricity, and from here I can organize an electrician to get power, an outdoor socket to this point here, so that we can put a wall mounted control system onto the wall. So basically you have two 40-volt power going to low voltage trigger wires and going over to activate the valves here, which then gets the water that's here out into the yard. Yeah, so the electrician is included in the quote. We can get this done end to end, so that you don't need to get other services involved. We can take care of the rest, and yeah, everywhere will be watered. So this is the second component. It is a completely separate quote. It's a standalone system here from inside, so you've got the choice to do one, the other, or both. So yeah, over to you. Cheers.